Shiba Inu used substantial attention from investors in Canada and the United States, outshining other major altcoins like Dogecoin.Doge and Cardano in terms of search interest. Google Trends data reveals that Shiba Inu consistently holds a higher search volume in Canada compared to its competitors. Similarly, in the United States, Shiba Inu garners more search interest than Cardano and Dogecoin, showcasing its growing popularity among cryptocurrency enthusiasts in these regions. Over the past 30 days, Shiba Inu has consistently ranked as the most searched cryptocurrency in Canada, reaching a peak popularity score of 100 on Google's scale. In contrast, Dogecoin and Cardano lagged behind with scores around 30, indicating lower popularity during the same period. Looking at the trends over the past 90 days, Shiba Inu's popularity remains strong in Canada, consistently maintaining a search volume above 50. Meanwhile, Dogecoin and Cardano struggled to reach values close to 25, highlighting Shiba Inu's sustained appeal in the country. Importantly, this popularity surge doesn't appear to be solely driven by recent events, suggesting enduring interest among Canadian cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Furthermore, data analysis reveals that Canadian interest in Shiba Inu is evenly spread across regions, rather than being concentrated in specific areas. Territories like the Northwest and Yukon show significant dominance of Shiba Inu in search volumes, while Dogecoin and Cardano attract minimal interest. In regions like New Brunswick, Newfoundland, and Labrador, Shiba Inu accounts for over 70% of the search volume. In the United States, Shiba Inu continues to maintain higher search volumes compared to Cardano and Dogecoin, emphasizing its broad appeal in the American crypto community. Join our channel for the latest updates, news, and insights on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Click the subscribe button now to stay informed and engaged with our crypto community.